So we start off today's video with someone wearing a hat. She does have like an orange cropped cut going here underneath that hat. Oh, wow. Love the way that her hair color looks with this pixie cut. Absolutely gorgeous. She can play around with the texture. It has a very nice choppy feel to it. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have someone once again getting a haircut. Looks like she might be getting a pixie style. Beautiful classic pixie cut. She does have a lot of body and volume within this one. So there is the final result. She looks absolutely amazing, so chic. And her bangs do have like a nice feathered look to them as well. Beautifully done. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length blonde hair. And the stylist gets to work cutting the hair into a bob. Oh, very nice. She has that bright blonde color. And she did end up getting more like an angled bob, longer hair in the front, shorter in the back. Gorgeous, very fashion forward bob haircuts. So next up we have someone, it looks like she has a bob haircut here. So it looks like she is going to be going shorter with a nice pixie style. Very nice, and her hair actually looks like it has more volume than it did before. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with long mid-length hair. Ooh, so she went brunette and cut her hair into a pixie. Wow. Major hair change here. So we have some color being added for the next style. Cutting the hair into a bob. Nice classic bob with the center part down the middle. And then we see a mini bob or pixie bob variation in a really girly pinky peach shade. Love this color. And then we end today's video with a curly haircut transformation. So she ends up getting the tapered haircut with this look. Very popular hair trend for curly hair that you can rock out in 2023. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.